Hi folks, Marcus here at CountryWoodSmoke HQ, and today I'm cooking a very long steak. Welcome to CountryWoodSmoke HQ. I'm cooking this beautiful steak. It's called a flat skirt, and this is from my friend Butcher. It's lovely. I've wanted to cook one of these for a long time. I remember seeing skirt steaks like this hanging up from the butchers in France, and they're actually quite hard to get hold of here in the UK. A nice long piece like this, usually they're cut down into small pieces, so I'm really looking forward to it. It's not going to take much cooking. It's not too thick, it's very long, and it's got a lot of fibres in, so I'm just going to salt it really nice. I'm going really simple. You can see it's got beautiful fat in this. Salt on the other side, plenty of salt. There's nothing worse than a steak without much salt on. There we go. That is ready for the grill. So you want to get your grill nice and hot. You need a nice long grill for this. I'm going to pop the grill grates on and then pop your steak on over the hot coals. As you can see, we need a nice long grill for this. It's already a few inches shorter and it bunches up together, so I'm going to give this a turn and see how it looks. Lovely, look at that fat on there. That's going to be amazing. So we're looking for about 50 in this smaller bit, and give it a turn. The fibres are running this way quite clearly, so we're going to be slicing this along there like that and then putting it on our sandwich. Okay, so that can come off now. I'm going to rest that on here. Bread over there. Okay, so you need to let this rest for at least a few minutes, 4 or 5 minutes. A little bit of black pepper on, a little bit more salt. I'm going to put some salad. This is a nice watercress, rocket and spinach mix. There we go. I'm going to go for a bit of truffle mayo. I'm loving this truffle mayo at the moment. It's delicious. Truffle and beef work so well. It's been a good few minutes for this. The grain running this way, so I'm going to cut nice long pieces. Perfectly cooked. There's nice bits that are about medium, and nice bits that are a bit rarer. Oh, I'm going to have a little taste. It's got nice golden fat on that's crisped up. Oh, that's beautiful beef. That's a really beautiful cut of steak. Loving that. Let's make our sandwich. Pop these nice big pieces like this across. So tender, you can just pull it apart with your fingers. That is a beautiful steak sandwich. I'm going to have a taste. Nice crusty bread, mayo. Oh boy, that is delicious. The steak is so juicy, so tender, and oh, it's wonderful. Lovely beefy flavour from grass-fed beef. I'm going to enjoy this, share it with a few of my friends. Hope you like this recipe and it gives you a bit of inspiration. And as always, if you like what I'm doing here at CountryWoodSmoke HQ, that box over there, smash it, subscribe, and let me know you like what I'm doing. Cheers.